folks, we got a really cool one for you to see here right now. But before I show you the car, if you can do me a big favor and hit that subscribe button. And I also want to thank all the new subscribers that I have. You guys are awesome. But anyhow, why don't you come with me and we're going to check out this cool car. Hi, I'm Craig. Show me your car.
Ernie Blackburn.
Ernie, nice to meet you, Ernie. You got this really cool car here. What kind of car is it?
So it's a 2003 Chevy Monte Carlo Jeff Gordon edition.
Okay. Now, did you buy it like this, or did you have to do the decorating?
I've done the decorating.
Okay.
I've had it since 2004.
Okay.
So 03, got it in 04. And it was a daily driver for the first 10, 12 years that I've had it.
Wow.
But then it's just for car shows now.
Okay, it's a beautiful car.
Thank you.
I love that shade of blue also.
Thank you.
That's one of my favorite shades of blue.
Called Superior Blue.
Oh, okay, nice. And check out these doors that you have here. That is, what do they call those, Lambo doors?
Oh, vertical doors.
Okay. Did you put them on yourself? Or?
Had them put on.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm seeing more of that all the time. Oh man, folks, check the inside of this out. Look at this beautiful interior. Wow. This thing is stunning. Very cool. I love this thing.
Thank you.
Walk around to the front here. Look at the flames he's got on this door here. Isn't that nice? Comes off the fender. Check out these wheels. You got disc brakes all the way around too, don't you?
Yes.
Those wheels are gorgeous.
Thank you. Had those for about 10 years.
Really? Look at this, folks. Look at the detail he went into this.
Yeah, that is called hydro dip.
Okay.
Where they dip it into a solution, a big tank of water, solution, put the film on top of it. They dip it in, bring it out, and the design is on it already. Then they just come over with a clear coat. They paint it, come over with a clear coat.
Oh, wow. Well, it sounds like an easy process.
Yeah, well, I've never done it, but yeah.
But you know, for the professionals
that
yeah.
do it, yeah.
Yeah. Check this out, folks. Look at the underneath of this hood here. Is that cool or what? Look at that. He's got the numbers and stuff over there underneath his little Monte Carlo there. Team Monte Carlo. Man, you spent some time on this thing, decking it out, didn't you?
Yeah, it's been it's like part of the family.
Oh, I bet. I bet. This thing is so cool. Look at this, folks. He's even got the Jeff Gordon number down there in the little fog light covers. And the flag, this NASCAR flag. Too cool. Look way down here in the bottom. He's even got it way down there. You can see down there. That's very special for sure. Wow, DuPont there. You found all the little hidden spots to put stickers, didn't you?
Yeah, I got a bunch of little Tasmanian devils on here too.
Oh yeah?
I think it's about 10 to 12 of them on here.
Huh, where are they
There's
at?
one right here by the mirror. Little Taz right there.
I'll be darned. He's got 10 or 12 of those hidden on his car here somewhere. He probably doesn't even remember where he stashed them at.
Not all of them, I don't, but I know these two right here.
Okay.
Got a little Taz right there.
Yeah.
On both sides.
Okay.
And then on the doors.
Okay. I see you got Team Monte Carlo on the spoiler back there too.
Yeah.
That's too cool. Look at that, folks. And look at this too. He's got like a net on his door like the NASCAR guys would have. Is that neat or what? Okay, now we're over to this side of the car. Look at the dash on this thing. That is nice. Monte Carlo SS floor mats. Look at his pedals down there. Got flames on them. Very, very cool. This car is... You guys really go all out.
Thanks. Yeah,
you and your friend over here. You can tell you love cars.
Yeah.
You know?
Got a little checker flag on the inside there.
Oh yeah, that's cool. That's really nifty, isn't it? I like that. He's got a checkered flag trunk here. He's got an old tire back there, an old NASCAR tire.
So that's one of the original tires that came with the car. I got all 4 of them, so I said, let me just do something different with it. And I made a little racetrack with it. Under there, you can see the grandstand.
Oh,
Got the blimp, as well as the crowd of people back there.
Yeah, that is too cool. You thought of all the cool stuff.
Got a little accident that happened over there also, where you see the
see
record. You got them on there. You got the tire that came out. Got one that's upside down.
Yeah.
You got the EMS out there, the fire department, and if they need a helicopter to take them to the hospital, we got a airlift to take them.
That's really neat. For sure. You got the lights for the grandstands. That is cool. And then you have the toolbox and all the stuff to work on the cars.
Yeah.
That is so neat.
Thanks.
Did you have a hard time finding that stuff?
Most of it I already had, because I'm a NASCAR fan, so I had most of it. I just say, okay, well, I'm just throw some stuff together and see how it turns out.
Oh, well, you did a wonderful job.
Thanks.
Go to the other handyman.
Okay, we got some other cars over here. Little pennant flags, first aid kit. Got Chevrolet right there. Very neat. All right, folks, we're going to go above and we're going to look down on this car. These little aerials are really neat.
Okay.
It's got the NASCAR inside of his trunk.
Apologize. Oh, wait a minute.
Look at that, folks. Look at the hood. You see the hood? That is beautiful. Very, very nice. This is really something to be proud of.
I am. That's why I said it's like part of the family.
Oh, yeah.
I've had it for so long, so 22 years.
Yeah. Very sweet. Man, I'm liking this for sure.
Got a little pictures on the inside of here. How it first looked when we first got it.
Okay. So that's when you first bought it.
Mm-hmm. So it looks a little different than.
Yeah.
That's one a little bit more stock than.
Right.
Then that's where the accident came in, and that's where all the paintwork came in there.
Oh, I see.
So instead of putting it back the graphics on it, they painted them back in for me.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
So that's it. Going on a little bit of construction and with the bumper off.
Yeah.
So
that's interesting how you did all of that.
Yeah, just kind of give you a little bit of history behind it for anybody who might be.
Oh, that's a cool picture with the airplane above it too.
I'm trying to take flight, but so far I haven't been able to get off the ground yet.
Yeah, well, you're working on it.
This is kind of the different miles for the engine. That's the stock.
Yeah.
And I started kind of playing around with it with a little bit of yellow.
Okay. Yeah.
Then went to a little bit more.
Yeah.
And then changed it up with under the hood there.
Okay.
And then we went to this design. Then we went to the checker flag that was under the hood for a little while. And then those are my parts now that I have on the car now that I had done, along with my chrome that I had did.
Yeah.
So that's the finished product right there.
Wow.
So
that is wonderful.
A little bit of Route 66 going on there.
Oh, sure.
100-year celebration for Route 66.
Yeah, that's wonderful.
Got lucky enough to take a picture next to a NASCAR hauler, trailer rather.
Very cool.
So,
well,
something different.
I really appreciate you taking a minute and showing me your car. It's a very, very special car. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Craig.
All right, folks. Well, I hope you enjoyed that edition of Show Me Your Car as much as I enjoyed it. If you did, please click the little logo up there. You can subscribe there for free. And right here on this side was the last video I just did. Thanks a bunch for watching, folks. I appreciate it.